Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y90 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode on this device. So basically, first of all, we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let's scroll to the display and brightness. And as you can see in this view mode, we've got the eye comfort, which is the night light, for example, in this device. So the eye comfort is a name for this mode. So let's tap on it, and here we can customize this mode, and before we will be able to do that, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on enable all day. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. I would say it's more yellowish than amber. So here, just by using this switcher, we can change the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left, we can make it a little bit cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So it's of course up to you. Set it just like you want to. Instead of having it turned on all the time and be able to turn it on and off manually, we can schedule this feature. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see, we can pick the start and end time. So let me pick the start, for example, something like that, and the end time, let's pick a random hour, like 6 o'clock. And as you can see, the screen immediately turns yellowish again. It is of course because we are between the start and end time, so your device will automatically turn this option on and off, but I will turn it on. Let me turn it off, sorry. Let me leave it on the manual mode, let's say. So this is the whole customization of this mode, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, without the need to go through the settings, just unroll the top bar and unroll it on the right side, because as you can see, if you will do it from the left side, you will enter notification panel. So remember to do it from the right side. And here, let's unroll this section. As you can see, we've got the eye comfort icon here, which is of course currently turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the screen will turn back to its normal state. And of course, you can turn it on the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your HUAWEI Nova Y90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.